Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's crochet the pattern. Pattern consists of 2 stitches. You can make any amount of chains, multiples of 2. I'm gonna to do 18 chains plus 2 chains for more beautiful look. In total it should be 20. So let's count my chains. It's gonna be a foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. My foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet the first row. It's gonna be a row of single crochet. Make a chain. To bring up the yarn, insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Make single crochet. Then single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Like this. My row is ready. It was a row of single crochet. Let's crochet the first row of the main pattern. It's gonna be a row of my cool stitches. It is my own stitch pattern. Make a chain of 4 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch. Make treble crochet. It's gonna be a base of my 9 stitches. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands. And pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the next pair. Pull up a loop. Here what I have. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Now yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. My stitch is ready. As you can see, my stitch has 2 tops. And it is based on 2 stitches. It is very easy to make. You don't need special skills. You just need to know how to crochet tall stitches. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops and pull through all loops on the hook. Make treble crochet. Here what I have at this point. I repeat my stitch twice. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's repeat one more time. Pull up a loop 1, 2, then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops and pull through all loops on the hook. I am done my stitches 3 times. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row. Once I have done the last stitch, It was the first row of the main pattern. My pattern consists of 2 rows and has 2 stitches. So let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Don't forget about it. And make treble crochet. My row is ready. I'm done the first row of the main pattern. Let's crochet row 2 of the main pattern. It's gonna be a row of single crochet. Make a chain, turn the work. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. Then make single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. You should repeat in this way till the end of this row. You can use this pattern to create anything. Then I will show you how to complete this row. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch of the previous row. This is the 4th chain stitch from the bottom. Make single crochet. My row 2 of the main pattern is ready. Let's crochet the next piece of pattern. It's gonna be row 3 and it will be like the first one. Make chain of 4 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. Let's look at my piece of pattern. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch. Make treble crochet. This is my own design. I remind you, I created it special for you. Now yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. Then pull up a loop into the next pair. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Then pull through 3 loops and pull through all loops on the hook. So my first stitch is ready. Then treble crochet, yarn over the hook, pull up a loop 1, 2, then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through all loops on the hook. The second one is ready. So keep working in this way as many times as you need for your project. I remind you, pattern consists of only 2 rows and has 2 stitches. So that's it, my swatch is ready. My pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 2 rows. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. You can use this pattern for any project such as blanket, table runner. You can do only 2 rows and make a choker, bracelet or necklace or another accessories for yourself or for your home. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Good luck and crocheting. Bye!